Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Thomas and we're giving you an update on the Suncoast Beach Club. Now this is a massive development taking place in 12 miles Bull Bay. So we're going to give you an update on the latest that's happening with it. Construction is moving ahead on the Suncoast Beach Club, a major resort-style residential development at 12 miles in Bull Bay, St. Thomas, with the first phase now targeted for completion in December 2027. According to a recent report, the project has experienced delays related to design, financing, and logistics. However, the developer, TCF Holdings Limited, says the development is now progressing with the first phase scheduled to be completed in about 15 months. Phase 1 will now contain 133 residential units consisting of two-bedroom houses and two-bedroom duplexes. The reported selling prices are approximately US $450,000 for the houses and US $550,000 for the duplexes. The project is expected to cost about US $35 million for the first phase. Construction has already reached an important stage. The developer reports that infrastructure works at the site are approximately 65% complete, while construction of the residential units is about 40% complete. Earlier construction updates also showed more than 40 units erected. The project has also undergone a significant design change. The original architectural concept was replaced with a Spanish-inspired design, giving the development a more distinctive resort-style appearance. TCF Holding described Suncoast Beach Club as a gated, luxury resort-style residential community. The first phase is only part of the larger vision. A further 263 units are planned for Phase 2, bringing the potential development to nearly 400 residential units once both phases are completed. The project is being developed by TCF Holdings Limited, with Landmark Group serving as the building contractor. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a